Omusango guvunaanibwa abantu 5 okutta omugagga mu kibuga Kampala. Henry Katanga gukomyewo olunaku olwaliro mu kkooti enkulu wano mu kibuga Kampala ekubirizibwa omulamuzi Isaac Muwata. Kinajjukirwa nti kkooti y'e Nakawa esookerwako yayisa ekibaluwa kibakuntumye eri nnamwandu w'omugenzi ono okulabikako mu kkooti era nga yeeyanjula ng'ayina zikkanula mu kkooti eno. Ono yasomebwa emisango egimuvunaanibwa okuli okutta omwami we n'emirala. Ono gino yajeegaana era kkooti n'emusindika ku meere eruzira.
Woke up and went about their normal business except the deceased and A1 who remained in their bedroom. A2 saw the deceased in a pool of blood and went to the adjacent room where she found A1.
So I have told you this court has no powers to detain your plea.
Bano lwaliro bakomyewo mu kkooti eno ekubirizibwa omulamuzi Isaac Muwata. Bannamateeka baabwe nga bakulembeddwa mu MCdusmas Kabega, Karuhanga Elson, John Jet Tumwebaze basabye kkooti eno okuwulira okusaba kwabwe okw'okweyimirirwa kw'abantu baabwe bano abana nga bagamba nti ebbanga lye bamaze mu kabulamuliro lisukka ssemateeka lyalambika.
And said that their response was poor, was supposed to guide court, was intended to. That's they should have filed. They have had since the 10th of January. The applicants are here. The sureties are here. It would be important if we are hard. So you have filed your sureties? Yes. And my lord, we just want to supplement and introduce the sureties and bring out one particular point on mandatory bail. The accused persons have been in detention beyond the period allowed by the Constitution.
No, those are submissions.
So it is important, my lord, that
I want them to file their response by Friday. Then you rejoined by when? Can you do it on the same Friday? Because they should have served you. I don't know, maybe Monday. If you can't, serve them by Friday. Put them in a court, serve them by Friday. Then if you have a rejoinder, you said some point about, what did you want?
my prayer is that really for a state that has had a bail.
I don't mind. I'm now trying to give my position, my ruling.
But my lord, I want to pray that they file on Wednesday. I don't think it is fair for people who are...
Unfortunately, I've already ruled on that. So when would you file your ruling?
Yes. My lord, this is about an adjournment and our view... Yes, my lord. And my lord, like my senior colleague ably submitted, it is very unfair to expect us, first of all, to serve us with ineligible documents and expect us to be in position to answer. Because the bail guidelines as they stand today of 2022 require us to make a formal replies.
Bannamateeka bano katono beegwe Malaka wakati w'oludda oluwabi musango guno saako ne bannamateeka bano.
And my lord, we are saying this court has never served us. And we are saying we shall serve you. So I don't understand what is so difficult about you being served. And that is what my land friend is calling arrogance. My lord, what we take exception to is the ability of the DPP to clear this out. My land friend now is actually going to pray to come on 12 to make submissions to. My lord, it is a simple thing. We have submissions which have been filed.
Well, my lord,
and it is not arrogance to say that. But if I told my friend felt slighted, since he's my land friend and he's actually my good friend, allow me to convey my sincerest apologies to him for his slighted feeling.
No, my lord, I'm not taking anything. My lord, we want to feel like we are in court. And I want to be very emphatic about this. We want to feel like we are in court.
Abavunaanibwa bano okuli bawala b'omugenzi babiri, Patricia Kakwanza ne Martha Nkanzi, saako ne yali omusawo wa Katanga Charles Otai, ne yali omukozi okuva mu famire eno eya Katanga George Amanyiire. Bano bategeezezza omulamuzi Isaac Muwata baze basaba enfunda eziwerera ddala 10 abantu bano okweyimirirwa wabula nga mpaawo kibaanukulwa. Munnamateeka John Jet Tumwebaze ategeezezza kkooti eno nti omu ku bavunaanibwa Martha Nkanzi nakaweerera ng'omwana we yeetaaga obujjanjabi n'obugabirizi okuva gy'ali.
Sworn by Anne Kiza on the 17th of January, nearly 2 weeks ago. It is on court record. filed an affidavit in opposition to the bail application. And my lord, they never raised any of what my colleague is raising. As if that was not enough, this matter was adjourned for a mention before you, my lord. And during the mention, my same colleague, not anybody else, same breath, same person, same English, never raised what they are raising. And the mention is supposed to iron out those issues. They never wrote to us a letter to indicate so, never raised it in the mention. Because those were simple things, in fact, for us, the documents we have are complete. The sureties, the things she's raising, she can raise them during the trial and object to a surety, and there are many sureties. If court finds one not substantial, the other can go on. I'm saying the sureties, the point she's raising about sureties, she can raise them during the hearing, so that if court finds one of the sureties is not substantial for the reason that the back page of their ID is not legible, we supply the legible part. Those are issues that she can raise during the hearing. Those are not issues that warrant an adjournment. So my lord, for them to even apply for an adjournment to file another affidavit in opposition, they would need leave.
And this is the application which was served on our land friends on 17th of this month. Yes, my lord, there is no other bail application before you for hearing today other than this one. So therefore, my lord, as you rightly intimated, we filed our submission.
Wabula abawabi ba gavumenti musango guno nga bakulembeddwa mu Jonathan Mwaganya bategeezezza kkooti eno tebiwandiike byabwe bwe bikwata ku kusaba kw'abana okw'okweyimirirwa birimu ebirumira.
Out of this application with documents that are ineligible. So the only fair position, my lord, is for our land brothers to act in good faith and give us proper documents. We do the verification as required in Rule 15 of the bail guidelines. My lord, the import of Rule 15, we are required to verify, but we can never verify and file proper responses except if the documents are clear. So my lord,
era bano bategeezezza kkooti nti beetaagayo akadde okwekenneenya empapula zino ezabaweebwa, wabula kino tekirobedde mulamuzi kulagira musango guno okugenda mu maaso, era ng'alagidde bannamateeka b'abavunaanwa bano okuleeta abeeyimirirwa abantu bano. Newankubadde nga bano baleeteddwa ne bateekayo n'ebyo bibakwatako mu kkooti eno, abawabi ba gavumenti musango guno bategeezezza kkooti eno nti beetaagayo obudde okuyita mu mpapula zino ezibaweereddwa, era kkooti kyebakkiriza.
And if you are not sure whether the other files will acknowledge service, you can file an affidavit of service, which you can put on our file here, this file here, and we shall see that hey, it is true you filed, okay? Or you served for that matter.
N'olwekyo wano omulamuzi wateddewo ennaku z'omwezi 12 omwezi ogwokubiri omwaka 2024 okwekenneenya empapula zino, wabula ng'alagidde oludda oluwawaabirwa mu musango guno okuwa empapula ezoogerebwako eri oludda oluwaabi.
Except if we have responded. How? Because, my lord, how shall we file the response after the application is heard?
And if you are not sure whether the other files will acknowledge service, you can file an affidavit of service, which you can put on our file here, this file here, and we shall see that hey, it is true you filed, okay? Or you served for that matter. 2 weeks we are not working, we shall adjourn it to the 12th. When it will come for mention, normally we mention when you file your documents. And if it is okay, on that day we shall fix it for ruling. But now, shall mention it. Now, I know you will tell me, if you have anything to do, please exchange your documents. Then we shall mention it on that day. But the normal thing would be to fix it for ruling on that day. we normally mention.
Olwo nnaku z'omwezi ezo nga 12 omulamuzi wanaasinzira ateekewo olunaku wanaasalirawo okweyimirira kwa bano.
Shall mention it. Now, I know you'll tell me. If you have anything to do, please exchange your documents. Then we shall mention it on that day. But the normal thing would be to fix it for ruling on that day. We normally mention. Yeah, so I think that should be okay. I hope now this one is having the semblance of a court.